number of institutions are taking a serious look at their academic programs to either remove or optimise underperforming ones. So how do universities use our models for this task? I'll take you through a little example here in our demo model to show you the process. So let's start with the BS Biology program in the College of Arts and Sciences. If we click on that, we can see all of the associated courses that are under that biology program. We can also see that it has a reasonably healthy margin of around $118,000. But could it be better? Let's have a look at some of the courses associated with it. We can see 3 Biology 150 courses down here, and we can see 2 of them are actually loss-making. Now, this one has 18 students, but only 1 student in that biology program. So where are the other students? To find that, we can click on the course itself, and it will bring up here in the top table all of those programs that are associated with that particular course. We can see the majority of them are in the Bachelor of Science Life Sciences program, but a total of only 68 credit hours, and we have 72 credit hours for that course. So there are other students somewhere. If we click on that College of Arts and Sciences again, so that we unfilter on it, we can actually see that the computer science program comes up with 1 student. So more than likely doing an elective. We can also see, if we click on this other loss-making course, that the psychology program comes up as well. So you can start to see that some of these courses cross across not only multiple programs, but also multiple schools. And this is really important to understand, because if the decision was made to remove these low enrolment courses, then it has an impact across multiple schools, not just the College of Arts and Sciences. So what other actions could be taken? These 2 instances of Biology 150 could be merged on Campus One, or now that a lot of courses are being done online, they could be combined and taught out of Campus 2 as an online course. The major benefit of this model is that it contains every program and every course for every school, so that it makes the program review process a lot more efficient. And when you're looking at ways of optimizing programs, you'll be able to see if it has any flow-on effects to the rest of the institution.